What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to reset Pinterest password. Firstly, as you can see right now, I have that section in which I have added my email section, but I have, for example, forgotten my password and I want to just reset it. Now what you need to do, you need to go for forgotten password on the last selection, and then it will says that the password resetting section, it will be sent to your email. And now if you want to confirm to this scriptionable option, which is needful to get approved, you can simply click OK and it will shows up into your mail. Now you need to go into your mail and find out the resetting option, and now as you can see, here it is. And here with this you can just simply click on reset password and it will shows up to the main point of this video. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.